Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on a full face of clean makeup and natural organic makeup products. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. Everything here is either clean, natural or organic. Quickly brush up my brows with the Rose Ink Brow Gel. I'm going to use something I don't think I've used, maybe once. This is the Face Theory Ultra Glide Face Primer. It's a silicone-free natural makeup primer and it says it is good for all skin types. And this is super green because it also comes in an aluminium tube, which means that it is recyclable and good for the planet. So I'm just going to use a little bit of it. It's a creamy consistency, which I love. I totally don't remember it being like this. Okay, maybe I haven't used it. Okay, so I'm just going to pop some of this on. It's quite nice. It's quite silky. It glides on. It is quite nice. It feels like it probably would have silicone in it, but it says it doesn't, so. That was really nice. I'm really happy I got to try that again because that's much nicer than I thought it was in my head. I thought it was a clear one, but it's a creamy one, and I like that. There's no scent or anything. It smells just like cream, like CeraVe or something. So I'm really happy with that. For my base, I'm going to use one of my favourite base products of the moment. This is the Skin Enhance Luminous Tinted Serum from Rose Ink. I have this in the shade 100, which is much more my shade than the one I did my initial review on. They all look kind of the same until you put them on your face. I always apply this with a brush just because it's quicker and the Rose Ink brush is really nice. Just gives a really nice glow, it's natural looking, and I feel like it's giving me like a little bit of skincare as well. And this works really well with her concealer. Together they're kind of the perfect combo. One of my favorite products, so lightweight, so glowy, so natural, and just enhances my complexion. So normally I would use the Rose Ink concealer, but I want to try and mix it up a little bit because I don't want this to just be like a Rose Ink video. So I'm going to use the RMS Beauty Uncover Up Concealer, an old classic, one of the first kind of really good expansive shade ranges of concealer. This is the shade 66. I have used a lot of it. It was like my favorite thing one summer ago and I literally like rinsed it. This is really nice. I tend to use it with just my fingers, but you can also obviously use it with a brush as well. So whilst that just warms up on my skin, I'm going to quickly fill in my brows off camera. going to use a bit of bronzer now. I'm going to use the Saie Beauty bronzer in the shade Deep Bronze. Really nice, very rich, and it's not even the richest shade, so we love it. I'm going to pop on some lip liner. This is the Kea Wise lip pencil in Deep. I want to kind of richen up everything. And if you're looking for a lip pencil that is natural or organic, this is a really good one. So I'm going to set with the Saie Beauty Airset powder in the shade Translucent Medium. Now for my cheeks, I'm going to pop on a bit of the Cheeky Posh from Victoria Beckham. One of my favourites, this is in the shade Mini Skirt, such a nice, rich, rosy hue. I also want to give it a bit of like natural glowiness, so I'm going to use a bit of orange as well. I'm going to use the Ilia Colour Haze Multi Matte Pigment in the shade Stutter. Just going to blend this in. So now I'm going to do a bit of eyes, and I don't actually have a clean eyeshadow apart from the Victoria Beckham Lid Luster, which I do love, but I just think it might be the wrong colouring. So I'm going to use a bit of the Ilia bronzer. I have this in the newest shade. This is Songbird. Now this does have so much kickback, but it's such a nice bronzer. So guys, I've got two bronzers that I could use and I'm really not sure which one to go for. I can either go with the Ilia, which is already on my eyes and might bring things back together, or the Victoria Beckham bronzer, which I do really like as well. So I'm going in with the Ilia. Just going to tidy up with a little bit of the Saie. mascara, I'm not sure where to go. I'm not sure whether to go for the Victoria Beckham, I did try recently and did rediscover my affections for it, or the Ilia, which is very popular. I'll try both. I'll try Ilia on this side and I'll try Victoria on this side. I'll try Ilia first. So the Ilia one has like a very straight edge on one side and then a curved edge on the other. So it's kind of random but quite unique. Actually really nice and volumizing, much nicer than I remember it being. On this side I'll try the Victoria Beckham just so you guys can see them side by side. This Victoria Beckham one is a tubing mascara, so you can just wash it off with water. Just to be super extra, because I have it, I'm going to use a little bit of the Rose Ink lip product in the shade Quartz. I think it's going to brighten me up a little bit, hopefully not too much. That is it, guys. I'm just going to give you a quick close up and then I'm going to finish up. So guys, that is it. That's my finished look. That is a full face of clean makeup. One of the things I actually was really impressed with and that surprised me was the Face Theory Glide, Hyperglide or Hydroglide primer. That was really nice. It was nice and creamy. I love a creamy primer, but it glided on really nicely and easily. Felt very smooth on my skin and seems to have kept me in place, so I'm really enjoying that so far. I also really liked the mascaras. I think for clean, more natural mascaras, they're both really good options and give like a really nice framing to my eyes. I really like the Ilia bronzer as an eyeshadow. I think that was really nice. And I really liked the Victoria Beckham Cheeky Posh mixed with the Ilia Multi-Colour Haze pigment in Stutter. I think they worked really nicely together and actually were nice and rich. As always, love that Kiehl's Wise lip liner, such a nice lip liner, and I think all of the lip products worked really nicely with it. So yeah, it came together really well. Considering I didn't have like a powder blush or anything, I still feel like it's very vibrant and warm, and I think this would be a really nice look for summer as well. So guys, that is it. That's my finished look. I hope you liked this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. Will you be buying anything? Will you be trying anything? Let me know. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.